To push the file on GitHub, we will first open the browser search for GitHub, log in with your GitHub account, create a new repository. Now write the repository name, simple button. We will keep the repository as public repository. And then create repository. Now the repository is created. To push the files on GitHub, we will need to install Gitbash first. Click on the first link. Click on whether operating system you are using, Windows, Mac, or Linux. I am using Windows, so by selecting Windows, I will download 64-bit Git. You can download it according to your system's configuration. Select the folder where you want to download. Navigate to the folder where Gitbash is downloaded. Open the Gitbash. Install the Gitbash. Select Launch Gitbash, click on Finish. Now Gitbash is installed. Create a new folder on desktop and name it as Simple Button. Create a text document. And open Gitbash in the created folder. Type git clone, and then open the created repository and copy the HTTPS URL and paste it on the bash. Now the repository is cloned in your desktop folder. Now copy the files you want to push and paste it in the cloned repository folder. Open the Gitbash. Here again, type git add. Then git commit m changes. to connect Gitbash to your GitHub account. Write these commands with your GitHub email and username. Then again, type the command git commit m changes. Then finally, git push origin main. A dialog box will appear which will navigate you to the browser. Now enter the credentials for the GitHub account you want to link. Open the browser and the GitHub repository, refresh the page. Here the files are successfully pushed.